Hello, everyone, and welcome to Brightlingo Learn English. I'm Jack.
Hello, everyone, and hello, Jack. I'm Eva. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Absolutely. So, Eva, we're diving into something we all have, our daily lives.
That's right. From the moment we wake up until we go to sleep. It's perfect for practicing simple, useful English.
But before we start, a quick request. If you enjoy our time together, please give this video a like. It truly supports our channel, Brightlingo Learn English.
Yes, thank you. And if you're new here, we'd love for you to subscribe. Now, let's begin with the morning. Jack, are you a fan?
The morning? Not really. My relationship with my alarm clock is difficult.
Oh no. What happens?
Well, it makes a horrible, loud sound, and my first thought is always, already? No way!
So you just stay in bed?
I hit the snooze button. More than once, probably.
Oh, Jack. So when do you finally get up?
Only when I absolutely have to. Then I jump out of bed because I'm running late.
That sounds so stressful. My mornings are the opposite.
Tell me your secret.
I wake up very early. Everything is calm and peaceful. The quiet morning is my secret power.
Wow. And what's the first thing you do?
Coffee? Always coffee. It's the most important step.
Okay, same. I need that coffee. How do you take yours?
I like mine with a bit of warm milk. It's cozy. You?
Strong and black for me. Pure energy. I usually check my phone while I drink it.
Oh, I avoid my phone. I just sit and enjoy the quiet.
Maybe I should try that. Okay, so after coffee, breakfast?
I eat a proper breakfast, yogurt and fruit, or sometimes eggs.
Eggs. You're so organized. I just grab a piece of fruit or some toast. I'm always in a rush.
Well, I do wake up early. So next is getting dressed. Is that easy for you?
Actually, yes. I made it simple.
How?
I only own shirts in 3 colors. Blue, white, gray. I just pick one. Done.
That is genius. No thinking required.
Exactly. Thinking is for later. Now, how do you get to work?
I drive, but the traffic is terrible. So many cars moving so slowly.
I take the bus. It's often very crowded, but I put on my headphones and listen to music.
Me too. Loud music in the car helps with the traffic.
So we both survive the commute. Then work. Emails, meetings.
Yes, it can be busy, but I enjoy helping people. What about lunch? That's my favorite break.
Mine too. I usually go out and buy a sandwich from a cafe nearby.
That's nice. I bring my lunch from home. It's cheaper.
That's smart. In the afternoon, I always get so tired.
Around 3 o'clock, right? Me too.
Yes! Do you have a solution?
Sometimes I have green tea or a healthy snack like an apple.
I usually have a cookie.
A cookie is a good solution too. Finally, the workday ends. Time to go home.
The best part. I'm tired on the bus ride home. I just stare out the window.
I drive home again in traffic, but I'm happy to be going home. What's the first thing you do when you walk in?
I say hello to my cat, Bella.
you have a cat? Is she happy to see you?
She's a cat. She looks at me and says, meow, which I think means, hello, now feed me.
So she's the boss?
Oh, completely. Then I change into comfortable clothes immediately.
Yes, that feels so good. Taking off the work clothes, then dinner. Do you cook, Jack?
I am not a good cook, Eva. I try, but I often burn things.
What do you mean? What have you burned?
Chicken, rice. Once I even burned water.
How do you burn water?
I forgot about it. All the water was gone. So I often make very simple food or order pizza.
Pizza is a great dinner. I like to cook. I find it relaxing to chop vegetables and make a simple meal.
You are a much better cook than I am. After dinner, I clean up and then sit on the sofa. Bella joins me.
That sounds peaceful. I usually read a book or I have to take my dog, Milo, for a walk.
You have a dog? A night walk sounds lovely.
It is. It's quiet and you can see the stars. A night walk clears your head.
That sounds wonderful. My cat does not like walks. So, bedtime. I go to bed late, sometimes at midnight.
Midnight. And you hate mornings. I go to bed early, around 10 p.m. I read for a few minutes and then fall asleep quickly.
That's why you're a morning person and I'm a night person.
It was so interesting to hear about your day, Jack.
And yours, Eva. So, everyone, we've talked about our whole day. Now, we have a question for you.
In the comments, please tell us, are you a morning person like me or a night person like Jack?
We really love reading your comments. Thank you for watching Brightlingo Learn English. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed this and subscribe for more. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.